hold it back a little.
Is it video recording?
Yeah. Same like before.
Of course, it never does it when you want it to.
Yeah, no. We'll just let it run for a little bit.
The only thing is no one's going to want to sit there and watch it.
Just stop that one and start a new one.